Over the next 7 weeks, you are going to be working on a writing project. This writing project is 140 points and is something you'll do over the course of several classes. It's very important that you keep up on this writing assignment. You can see for item 3, the instructions are to start the writing project, The Life of a Quarantined Middle Schooler. The instructions indicate that you need to click on the classwork tab above and then find the writing section. So let's do that. Let's find the project itself. We go to the classwork tab, we find the writing section, and we can see here's our project. It shows that it's due on May 29th. Let's open the project. And we can see that it's 140 points. Let's read through the instructions. This is a time in your life that is unprecedented. Unprecedented is an important word. Google it if you don't know what it means. You each are living through an important part of history. This quarter, you will be working on a writing project titled The Life of a Quarantined Middle Schooler. You will add 2 to 3 entries per week, and I will provide you with a specific prompt each time. Here's the specific directions. Your journal entries need to be honest and from the heart, and should be at least 5 sentences. You can do more if you'd like. Feel free to be creative with how you write your responses, along with how your journal entries look. If you want, you can use a fun font. It needs to be legible though, something that I can read easily. You are not going to click Turn In. Do not click this button until all of the entries are complete in a few weeks. You cannot add to it once it's officially turned in. But as an FYI, I will be checking it weekly. The journal assignment is attached. Fill in each section of the appropriate journal entry as each one is assigned. Pay attention to language conventions, meaning spelling, grammar, punctuation, capitalization, etc. This is a 140-point writing project. Let's go ahead and open the assignment. We'll open the journal. And you can see these directions are very similar to what I just read to you. There's also the reminder that you are not going to click Turn In until the end of May. Do not click this button until the end of May. We need to do our first journal entry. Obviously, we need to know what the prompt is, so let's go find that. We'll go back to the classwork tab, back to the writing section, and we're going to start with journal entry number 1. Let's click that. So here's your prompt. Introduce yourself. Here are some ideas on what you could talk about. Who are you? How old are you? What is your family life like? What are your interests and hobbies? What are some fun facts about you? In order to do this prompt, we need to open the journal. We already have our journal open here, but just as a reminder, the way we got it was in the project itself. This is just the journal entry for number 1. We found the document under the classwork tab in the writing section under the project itself. So we have it open. Fill in all needed information for the section for journal entry number 1. You can simply copy and paste the prompt into the journal. And the prompt is above. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to copy the prompt, right-click, copy, go in, add it as the prompt. Let's add today's date. Okay. Directions for item 3. Remember that your entry should be at least 5 sentences, be as creative as you'd like, and pay attention to language conventions. All right, so I want to be creative. I'm going to change the font to Caveat. And I'm going to change it to a little bit bigger because that's a smaller font. Don't go larger than a 14, please. So let's say this was my entry. I'm going to intentionally use some words incorrectly and spell them wrong because I want to show you something. All right, so we see this word is blue underlined. That means it's being used incorrectly. We're going to right click, It's going to tell us how to fix it. This word here is now red underlined. That's because it's spelled incorrectly. I'm going to right click and fix it. And I would continue on to, for at least 5 total sentences. I'd go on about my family life, my interests and hobbies, and some fun facts about me. When I'm done with this entry, I'm not going to click this button. If I do, I cannot add any of the future journal entries. So you can see in the instructions here, when you are done, do not turn in the journal itself, because we're going to keep adding to it. You're just going to exit out of it. So let's go to the journal, exit out of it. This is the assignment, however, for journal entry number 1. You are going to click this mark as done, because this is today's task. If you are confused, watch the attached video.